All right, everybody, I'm at the Dalton Collision Center in Dalton, Georgia, and we are dropping off the fairings for paint. Hello everybody and welcome back to the Ninja One YouTube channel. In today's video, we are closing out the poll vote for the color scheme on the ZX6R. And then I'm going to show you the pieces that are coming off the bike, and then I'll show you the fairing pieces in the car, loaded, ready to go to the paint shop. Stand by. All right, so the pieces that are coming off the bike will include the tail. All right, so that includes the pillion cowl, the left and right upper portion of the tail, and then this belly, the under tail belly fender there. That's all coming off. That's going to be replaced with the Armour bodies, Racetrack Fairings tail piece. All right, and that comes all the way up to here, and then we're keeping this lower tank cowl, and of course the fuel tank. But then this inner cowl is coming out, this outer cowl is coming out, and the lowers are coming off on both sides to include the nose and the fender. So let me give you a look at the parts inside the car, ready to go to the paint shop. And then I have it all packed up in the back of the car, and I'm going to take it over like this, but I got this one rag off just to kind of show you where I made a trim cut, and it was right in this area right here, this area right here, and it fit good after I trimmed it off, and it looks symmetric on both sides here. So I'm pretty happy with it. So right now, as it stands, all the holes are about 1 millimeter bigger than they need to be to accommodate any paint layering, and then wiped off all the grease, and then I cleaned off a sticker I had on the nose, my Ninja One sticker, and just basically cleaned it inside and out, made it dust free. So all the holes are ready, we're ready for paint. So let me get in the car and we'll head on over. All right, everybody, I'm at the Dalton Collision Center in Dalton, Georgia, and we are dropping off the fairings for paint. So I'm going to introduce you to the guys working here. We got Chris.
Hey, how are you?
How are you, Chris?
Good, good.
All right, so what do you think? All green, is that going to be a problem?
I don't think all green's going to be a problem at all. I think it's going to be a beautiful problem. I think it's going to look great. I love it, and we look forward to doing it.
Awesome. Okay, so when do you think I might be able to pick it up?
I'm thinking sometime next week we're going to get it in the booth and get it prepped, and then see if there's any blemishes that we need to fix or anything, and then we're going to put some more primer on it, put some sealer and paint, and then make sure you come by and give us a thumbs up. We want to make you happy, so probably about a week.
And you can verify that all green was our top selection, right?
It was. I looked at the survey, and the survey was green, and it's also my selection too.
Awesome. Thanks again, Chris. All right, guys, we'll be back in a moment.